Here we're going to use the graph below, which shows the profit Y in thousands of dollars of a company in a given year T, where T represents the number of years since 1980. We're going to find the linear function Y, where Y depends on T, the number of years since 1980. So the first thing we want to do is we want to be able to locate some ordered pairs on this particular graph. So let's do that first. So here we have an ordered pair located at 15, 155. Okay, and then we have another ordered pair here, which is at 20, and then 140. And then we have another ordered pair here at 25, and then 125. Okay, so what we want to do is, if we look at our graph right now, it's asking us to find the y-intercept. Well, we can't because it doesn't cross the y-intercept. So that means we need to determine what does this line look like first, and then determine what the y-intercept is. So we can use the first order pair, 15, 155, and we can use the last one. It doesn't matter if you use the other one or not, but you can use the other one if you wanted to. And so we know that this is going to represent T1, and this is going to be Y1. We're going to represent this as T2, and then this is going to be Y2. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is we want to find the slope. So the slope is going to be Y2 minus Y1 over T2 minus T1. So that's 125 minus 155 over 25 minus 15. So 125 minus 155 is negative 30. 25 minus 15 is 10. So that gives us a slope of negative 3. Okay, now what we want to do is then we want to be able to use the point slope form. So we're going to have the point slope form to be y minus y1, which is equal to the slope times t minus t1. And then we're going to use the first order pair as our t1 and y1. So we're going to get y minus 155, which is equal to the slope, which is negative 3, times t minus 15. So we distribute the negative 3 to get negative 3t plus 45. And then therefore adding 155 to both sides is going to give us the equation y is equal to negative 3t plus 200. So now therefore that is our model. But now we want to be able to find the y-intercept. So in order to find the y-intercept, we have to let t equal 0. So let's go ahead and plug that in. We have y, which is equal to negative 3 times 0 plus 200. So y is going to equal 200. So therefore, the y-intercept is going to be 0, 200. And so therefore, that's our answer. Don't include the parentheses because the parentheses are already included. So what does that mean? Well, that means that 0 represents 1980. Okay, and then 200 is representing the profits, which is $200,000. Okay, and again, we got that from the question because it says the number of years since 1980. So interpret the y-intercept. We can say that in the year 1980, the company's profits were $200,000.